Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we're going to show you how to update the software in your hot control box and how to set the soft jumpers in your 77438 hotspot control panel. Step 1. Disconnect power to the tub. Step 2. Remove the control box cover. Step 3. Verify that the red wire is correctly connected. J17 is for permanently connected 230 volt spas. J13 is for 120 volt or 230 volt convertible spas. Step 4. Locate the USB port and plug in the flash drive. Step 5. Reconnect power to the tub. Step 6. The green bus light will blink and the red heat light will turn on while the software is loading. This will last about 15 to 20 seconds. Then you will hear a click. The bus light will turn solid green when the upload is complete. Step 7. The new software version will appear on the control panel. Verify that the updated software matches the software on the instructions. Step 8. Locate and press the Setup or SW1 button. Step 9. Press the Mode Up button twice for the jumper settings menu. Step 10. Find the jumper settings for your spa on the control box configuration instructions. Step 11. Begin setting soft jumpers. Step 12. Disconnect power to the tub. Step 13. Remove the USB flash drive. Step 14. Reconnect power to the tub, and you're all done. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you can easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us on the web at backyardplus.com.